you?
How can I help you?
My name is Corporal Carrie Yates. This is my partner, Corporal Grill.
Hey, how are you?
We're just kind of in the area, just kind of investigating some internet activity.
Okay.
Are you the homeowner?
Yes.
Awesome.
Detectives just arrived at a residential home in Clearwater, Florida, to investigate internet activity linked to this address. Initially, it seemed like just another routine knock and talk with nothing unusual, but that's when it hit them. What the homeowner didn't know at the time is that detectives had been building this case for 16 months, and the evidence they uncovered on his devices would lead to 15 felony charges. It started on a Wednesday morning, January 8th, 2025, when two detectives from the Pinellas County Sheriff's Crimes Against Children Unit received a cyber tip that needed immediate investigation. The tip pointed to a house on Somersworth Drive in Clearwater, Florida. Officers immediately headed to the address to confront the homeowner.
What is your name, sir?
Tony.
Tony?
Yeah.
Is that your legal name, or do you go by
Anthony.
Anthony? Oh, hi, puppy. Will you run away?
No.
And what is your last name?
Bisio.
Bisio?
Uh-huh.
And what is your date of birth?
4/16/58.
Tony, what is a good cell phone for you? Who's your provider for that?
T-Mobile.
T-Mobile. Who else lives in the house with you?
That's my wife.
Your wife? Okay. What is her name? And same last name?
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry, we have to ask that. Some people don't change their names. 60. Okay. Do you have any email addresses? Okay. Any other emails?
But I don't use it anymore.
You don't use it anymore?
No.
Okay. And do you guys have internet here?
Yeah.
Who's your provider?
Spectrum.
Spectrum? Okay. How long do you guys have them?
Years.
Years?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's a good company to go with. So,
How long you guys lived here for?
maybe, how long-
So what's going on?
So how long you guys lived here?
Year and a half.
Okay, very nice.
The questions seemed routine enough: name, date of birth, contact information. But detectives were carefully documenting every detail. It was clear the detectives had a specific purpose for being there, though Anthony didn't seem to realize the severity of what was about to unfold.
Okay.
Yeah,
Sorry,
what's going on?
Hi, so my name's Corporal Carrie Yates. This is my partner, Corporal Grill.
Yeah.
We're just here kind of investigating some internet activity.
Yeah.
So, if you don't mind, can we talk to you first, alone? I'll kind of explain what's going on.
Yeah, I guess.
That's when Anthony's wife, Anne, appeared in the doorway. She wanted to know what was happening. The detectives tried to speak with Anthony privately, hoping to give him a chance to explain without his wife present. But Anne wasn't going anywhere.
Do you have a identification?
It's in my car. I can go grab it.
Yeah.
Yeah. No problem.
Let's get
You
an
have your-
identification.
Mine's in my car.
There's your car.
Yeah, I can just wait.
Thank you.
It's my badge.
Who are you with?
Sheriff's Office, Pinellas County.
And what are you investigating?
So there's some suspicious internet activity. I don't know the details of it. It's her case, but we do this a lot. We've been doing it all morning. Out to different houses because of internet activity.
What kind of internet activity?
Like inappropriate internet activity. Stuff that shouldn't be on the internet.
The conversation continued outside while Anthony retrieved his ID from his car. Then Detective Grill said something that revealed just how common these investigations were.
And so, like I said, she's gonna know the details about this one.
I don't know.
But it probably has to do something to do with your guys' internet, would be my guess. Just based off my experience with that stuff. So,
I don't know.
but she has all the details on it and whatnot. We do like this is like our 8th house today, so we do this all the time.
Well, why did you pick our house?
So IP addresses, you know what that is?
Yes.
Yeah, so it comes back. My guess is it came back to this house, but she can explain that better. She knows the details of the case, so.
Well, I haven't been on anything illegal.
Okay.
That we know of.
Yeah.
The casual small talk continued. Compliments about the dog, questions about email addresses. But beneath the surface, detectives were building toward the real reason they were there.
Marco, get in the house.
And that's the thing too.
Sorry,
Sometimes something pops
wallet
up.
too. Yeah. Thank you. Oh man.
Cute dog.
Yeah.
Marco, come here. Marco.
So what's going on?
So, have you ever heard
Marco.
of the National Center for Missing and Exploited Children?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So when there's like social media platforms or like internet-based platforms
Okay.
that get like some suspicious activity,
Yeah.
they send it to the National Center for Missing and Exploited Cyber Tips,
Okay.
and they kind of filter out and send it to us or
Okay.
the appropriate agency.
Okay. I got you.
So we just got a tip that was just kind of suspicious in nature, so they want us to come out and investigate.
Well, yeah. Let me know what it is.
Do you have any social media?
Yes. Yeah.
Which ones do you use?
I use Twitter.
Okay.
Well, X.
Yeah.
And Facebook
Okay.
and True Social.
Instagram.
Well, barely on Instagram.
Yeah.
I have Instagram because my granddaughter's on Instagram.
Oh, nice.
And that's it.
Okay. What's your Twitter or X username?
Do you need your phone?
Yeah. I think it's something like that.
Okay. Do you only have one account, or do you have
Just
any?
one.
Just one account. Okay. And what about your other social media names? You said you had Facebook.
Facebook. It's just with Google. So I'm not sure what it says on there.
Is that going to be with? Okay.
He showed them his accounts one by one. Instagram for his granddaughter, old AOL email addresses. The casual conversation masked what was coming next.
What am I on here?
That's easy.
And let's see. Instagram. Oops. And okay, this is the one I don't ever use. So.
It's kind of old.
Yeah.
It's funny, you create these accounts and then you just like
Yeah.
forget about them.
Probably a lot you
Oh, here it is.
Okay.
And this one, oh wow, that's a real old email. So that one I'm doing a long time ago
81.
is at AOL.com.
Yeah, it's an AOL.
Yeah, that's ancient.
I
That's
still got an AOL.
whatever.
Oh my
I was
god.
You
checking,
had a Yahoo one too, didn't you?
Yeah, I gave her that one.
I was checking out a Tractor Supply once and gave it AOL and the kid was like, "What's that?" And I'm like, "Oh."
I know, right?
Oh man. So this is how the tip comes in, like I was
Yeah.
explaining. Have you ever seen it before?
No. Can I get my
No.
glasses?
Yeah, go right ahead.
No idea.
You guys got a beautiful home.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Actually, I really love your floor. The wood look.
Yeah, it's luxury vinyl.
Is
No, I
it?
don't know. Is this luxury vinyl, Tony, or is
Is it tile?
This is tile.
no, honey?
Back over there,
Yeah.
it's laminate.
Oh wow.
So we didn't put it in. It was here when we got
No
here.
problem. Do you
So-
mind if I talk to you first and then we can talk more?
Well, I'd rather be present.
That's fine.
Then the detective showed him the document, the cyber tip that brought them there.
So this is how the tip comes in. Okay.
Yeah.
And this says this occurred on September 29th of 2023. And do you recognize this email?
Not off the top of my head.
Does it look like one that you may use?
It might.
Okay.
What is it?
Outlook.com?
but I don't remember, honestly.
Okay. Have you ever been on Outlook? Have you ever used Outlook as an email? You've been retired before 23. So it wouldn't have been a federal, he's a federal employee. Or was, he's retired.
Anyway, no, this is
Okay.
good.
The detective showed him more information, login data, registration details, IP addresses, all pointing back to this house.
So as you see that we kind of get all the login, just the registration IP address
Yeah,
and
okay.
stuff like that. And on this account, do you recognize anything?
Yeah, I do, okay.
Okay. Is it something you're comfortable talking to me about in front of your
No,
No.
You better
And-
tell me, honey, because I'll find out.
well, it was just,
Do you mind if we talk to him alone?
No, I
for-
want to hear what it is. Just tell me.
well, I'll tell you, we talked to them.
No, I want to know. Go
Yeah,
ahead.
it might be better if you just kind of
it's
talk to us
okay.
first.
It's okay.
No, it's not, okay?
Honey, you got to tell me. So let's go.
But it might be easier on him to tell you when we're not present.
What is it?
What's the complaint, yeah?
Okay.
Is it just,
There it was. He recognized the account, and he didn't want to discuss it in front of his wife.
So do you want to kind of tell me about that account really quick and what's on it?
well, I don't have it anymore.
You don't have it anymore?
No.
Okay, when was the last time you used it?
Probably around that time,
So how long ago do you think?
over a year.
Over a year ago?
Yeah.
Okay. And what did you use that account for?
Just entertainment.
Entertainment? Okay.
Right.
So I'm going to kind of show you some photos. Okay, can you just tell me if you recognize them? It's from a copy machine, so I apologize. It's a little blurry. These are going to be from videos that I kind of just took still shots of.
Okay,
Do you recognize that?
yes,
Okay.
yes,
You recognize that?
yes,
This next one I do have sanitized, okay? Do you recognize
Yes.
them?
yes. Oh, no. I don't think so.
What is she supposed to do about me?
Yes.
Yeah, I honestly,
Okay.
if she is, then it was something that I shared from something else that I saw, but it wasn't something I generated.
Okay. So tell me about that.
But Anthony knew exactly what he was looking at. 3 images, 3 immediate confirmations, and was standing right there, hearing every word.
So tell me about that. What do you mean by that you shared by something else?
Well, it's a year and a half, 2 years, almost 2 years ago, so I don't really know. I don't go into, I don't request anything like that.
Okay.
If I see it on, if I saw at the time, if I had seen it on X, I might have done something with it. I don't know.
What do you mean by that?
I may have posted it.
Okay. So you may have posted that image?
I may have. I
Okay.
just don't remember.
Okay.
He didn't just view the material, he may have distributed it, shared it, posted it online. Anne had heard enough.
Just online.
Ma'am, now that you kind of know the gist of it, do you mind if we kind of talk to him more in private?
And we can
I
have,
do mind
can-
because I feel like we need an attorney here. That's what I feel like.
So
So
you're
I don't
not
know what
under
you've
arrest
done,
right
but
now.
you know,
Yeah. Well, what I'm saying is I've never shared anything that I thought
Okay.
and
was
and our
under
biggest
risk.
concern is making sure that you're not still looking at this stuff. It's not
Oh, I'm
like
not.
on your devices or anything
Yeah.
like that.
Yes,
And so
I
we're
understand.
yeah. Would you be willing to let us look at your device real quick, so we can just verify it's not on there? Because that would be an easy way to end this, pretty much.
Yeah.
Smart advice, but Anthony kept talking. His wife just said get a lawyer. The detectives were asking to search his devices without a warrant. Any innocent person would refuse. He consented immediately.
How do you normally get on Twitter? Like, do you use your cell phone or a laptop, an iPad?
My iPad.
Your iPad? Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Do you mind if we look through
No,
that?
I don't mind at all.
Okay,
I don't
thank
mind
you.
at all.
The conversation moved inside. What happened next would be revealed through forensic analysis of the devices Anthony voluntarily surrendered. The forensic examination of Anthony Bisio's iPad revealed disturbing content that went beyond what investigators initially expected. Child pornography. Children between the ages of 10 and 13 engaged in explicit acts. Content that had been uploaded, viewed, and stored on his device. But investigators found something else that made this case even more shocking. 12 videos of bestiality. Adults engaged in acts with animals. Dogs, a horse, a cow. One video could be an accident, a mistaken click, someone stumbling onto something they didn't mean to find. But 12 videos? 12 was a pattern, a deliberate choice made again and again. What most people don't realize is just how common these investigations have become. Remember what Detective Grill said on that body cam. 8th house, one morning in Pinellas County, Florida. 8 separate investigations into internet activity linked to child exploitation. The National Center for Missing and Exploited Children has received over 158 million reports since the platform was created in 1998. Every major tech company, Facebook, Google, Twitter, Apple, is legally required to report suspected child use material. In Anthony Bisio's case, the content was uploaded on September 29, 2023. Detectives knocked on his door January 8, 2025. 16 months of careful investigation, building an airtight case before ever making contact. Anthony Bisio didn't run. He didn't hire an expensive defense attorney and fight the charges in court. That same day, January 8, 2025, he turned himself in at Pinellas County Jail. 15 felony counts: child possession and distribution, bestiality, a retired federal employee, a grandfather who checked his granddaughter's Instagram, a homeowner in a quiet Florida neighborhood, now facing decades in prison. By October 2025, the case was over almost before it began. Anthony Bisio stood before a judge and pled guilty to all 15 counts. The internet remembers everything.